Good morning, everybody. The blizzard we've been having over the weekend is finally over. The temperature is above zero, and it looked like a beautiful morning, so I decided to come out and do some snowshoeing. I've got my old Canon A1 film camera with some black and white Ilford film in it. We'll have to look at those pictures later after I get them back from the lab. But anyway, we're on the back side of that storm, so there's a pretty tremendous wind blowing. But because of that, nobody's around, and I've got this beautiful forest to myself. I really enjoy these little formations that the wind blows into the snow, and I wanted to get out with that black and white film and get some of these pictures to show you what that's like. And as you can see, the wind makes ripples in the snow that are pretty fascinating. And here you can see the wind's blowing pretty hard, and we've got a little bit of a ground blizzard going on. Sometimes there'll be some tornadoes in the snow, little ground tornadoes. Those are pretty cool to look at. I think I got a couple pictures of those on film. Still pictures of them anyway. So anyway, there's some more of those formations, and I'm going to let you enjoy a few seconds of this peace in the mountains.